Hello there, the Bearded Burbler from down there, and today I've got a very special treat for you. Most of you, I am sure, if you were asked, where's the oldest Ford in the world, you'd be saying, America. But actually, you wouldn't necessarily be accurate because that there behind me is in fact the oldest surviving Ford in the world. No joke. Equally the oldest, the other one's in the Ford Museum. This one is in Wynyard in Tasmania. Let's investigate what's in this amazing little museum. So without further ado, there it is, a 1903 Model A Ford, the oldest Ford still in existence. And it's in good company because there are a lot of very early 1900s Fords associated with it right up to this Model S. Moving further forward in time, we'll come to the Model T, which of course put the world and Australia on wheels. There's two of them there. And of course the iconic 1928 Ford Model A. And there's an International Harvester, and believe it or not, this weird looking thing looks like a phone booth. Yes, an electric car. Sitting alongside is a 1917 Oldsmobile and several Cadillacs, one of which has a fringe on top, much like the Surrey of the song. And then there are several Darracks. Now, many of you have probably never heard of a movie called Genevieve. But Genevieve was a movie made in Britain in the 1950s about the London to Brighton veteran rally, and it featured around a early 1900 Darrack called Genevieve. Now, Genevieve is a car that has gone back overseas. I believe it used to be in Giltrap's Museum on the Gold Coast. Parts of Genevieve are on that 1904 Darrack behind me. How interesting. All of these cars are veterans except the Model A Ford, a vintage, and they represent a very special collection of early motoring memorabilia, even down to a couple of motorcycles and a lot of old penny farthing bicycles. But if you want to see some antique machinery, this is the place to go. Wasn't that quite fascinating? And I'll bet many of you didn't know you could go to Wynyard and see cars like this. It's a really great collection. I thoroughly recommend anyone to come and see this. Right in the heart of Wynyard. We'll see you next time somewhere out there in what we like to call the 2 hour circle. See you then. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.